para mag-camping sa ilalim ng bituin. Kapit kamay sa tiling, mga pangarap ating abutin. Sa bawat tawanan, sa bawat kwento'y buhay. Tara mag-camping sa ating alaala'y buhay.
Busy, malamang holiday. Kita ka na. Bumbero eh. Bumbero kasi eh.
Ayaw. Technique ano? Kala sa amin, no?
Tara, picture tayo.
Shout out sa mga camper dyan. Pahingi pang entrance. Ayan.
Cinematic na yun, no? Ano ka baka pa siya? Ano tawag dito?
Ayan.
Cotomines.
Tuloy na talaga kami sa Cotomines.
Ito yung policy nila, mga.
Policy, may nananampal.
First checkpoint. Ito po.
Bumaba para mag-video habang may lilim.
Pwede. Sige.
Okay, may iba. Hunter, tingin mo yung daanan, kaya ba ng kotse?
Eh, yung kotse, yung mas maliit.
Yung maliit, yung mga bios, gano'n.
Yung mga hindi, mamaya tulog na yung sakay.
Bakit?
Baliw ka.
Hindi pa kami nakakarating sa Cotomines ha. Ito na yung tubig oh. Wala pa yung sa Cotomines. Ay, Cotomines na to, di ba?
Papunta pa.
Papunta pa lang.
Ano naman?
Ito po yung idol ko eh.
Eh, blue-green!
Ito po yung idol ko.
Ito sa video, ng mga tumataon.
Shout out, Sir Arnel.
Shout out sa mga kabataan dyan. Mapahingi pang camping.
Ang ganda ng tubig yun.
Isipin mo ba yan?
Click
Kaya kami bumaba kasi iinom kami ng tubig eh. Pwede doon. Sulit ang biyahe. Sobrang worth it ang biyahe. Nakasyatan ko kayo. Kami oh.
Nakarating din sa Cotomines.
Wala pa sa kalate.
Sa kadahilan ng malubak. Shout out Mike Lista.
Akin nabasag yung bearing ng ligo.
Baka yung bearing ko rin mabasag dito. Checkpoint natin sila. Ito si Ma'am Peach. Checkpoint. Ano po? Papel po? Anak niyo po ba to? May asawa na po kayo. May asawa na po kayo, ma'am.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Ma'am, baka may asawa na po kayo.
Ayun o, ikaw. Pero kung araw, di ba?
Ayun, ma'am.
Ano ka, hindi ka marunong sumayaw, mapapasayaw pa. Today, lapit na kami sa cotton mines. Dito, hindi na masyadong malubak. With Dondon and Pete's Camp Venture and Nelson's Camp Venture after 1.5 hour nalubak. Please, malapit na. Kamusta yung lubak?
Ha?
Kamusta yung lubak?
Pangit ng lubak. Pangalawang checkpoint. Ayan. Itsura ng mga na-blender.
Wait.
Ayan, pero pang halo-halo. Ito. Sit. Goodbye. Ito sa...
Ato yung ibang lutuan na kayo natin.
Lutuan?
Oo.
Ito na yung nakalagay dito.
Oo.
Mamaya nag-i-slide ka na. Ang bak dadaan. Parang mas okay dito.
Dito, makakakalags.
Ano tayo pabagok ka dito, Asta? Mapit ka na.
Oo. Trilo. Dang.
Sa mga damo.
Bakit mga ko yung mga bukay mo? Pang Valentine's gift.
Post Valentine's Day to. Flower arrangement.
Pinakbet. Grabe. Hindi na.
Damit yata niya yan. Dahil di kami marunong mag-swim, dito lang kami sa gilid-gilid.
Susunod na pabibili ka lang. Kawan mo yan.
From the east to the west, messages fly. Good vibes in the air, like a morning sky. Four corners unite under one bright light. With hearts full of joy, we start this night. Echoes of laughter, melodies so sweet. Fortune flows in as we all meet. Fortune from From the east to the west, messages fly. Good vibes in the air, like a morning sky. Four corners unite under one bright light. With hearts full of joy, we start this night. Echoes of laughter, melodies so sweet. Fortune flows in as we all meet. Caporazzi, fortune from
Ano yan? Perfect light.
Every time I see your face, a million butterflies go flying away. You're the reason for my smile. You make everything worthwhile. You light up my darkest night. You make me feel like I'm taking flight with you. Everything feels right. You're my shining star, my guiding light. I'm singing this love song for you. It's straight from my heart, that's true. You make me feel like I'm brand new. This love is something I can't undo. This love is something I can't undo. Whoa. In the night we roam on the streets alone, searching for a place to call our very own. Underneath the neon lights we find our thrills. Midnight wanderers, looking for the chills, where the lost souls chasing after dreams, ignoring all the whispers and the silent screams.
Ganito pa yung kahila niya.
Diyan ka na lang sa gitna.
I remember when you held my hand, steady and warm, guiding me through storms, keeping me from harm. With strength in silence and wisdom in your eyes, you showed me love without disguise. Oh Father, you're the hero of my story. Through every step, you walk before me. All the dreams I chase, they start with you. With every breath, I carry a part of you. I hear your voice in the echoes of my heart. Your lessons linger, no matter how far apart. Every sacrifice.
Ito sa Zambales, no? Ito yung ano nila sa Zambales?
No, special pan.
Ngayon yung ginagawang dried mangoes din.
Ano yan? Cheese.
Labas na lang din yung malayo pala na pero worth it naman dito.
Pag North, ang sunod na pinakamaganda na La Union.
Balik tayo dito, anniversary.
Kaya tayo mga first time yan.
Nainis na yung nagbabantay. Mga first time kayo. Sinabihan na na hindi pwede yung motor. Nasabihin pa ng isa, hirit ko. Pwede yan. Bakit ako? Kapasog ka mo.
Ayan, pang lunch natin. Gulay. Gulay overload. Favorite. The best.
Ito lang yan. Para ano? Hindi ka pagkamalan ng stone na buto.
Pero may kanin yun, di ba? Kanin yung lagay mo?
Organic lang.
Sarap naman yung ka. Alam mo ba yung gulay pampata? Dami na pa lang natin yung ulam. Hindi naman yan. May pusit pa kami. This one is 7 years old.
Hawakan mo nga yung puwet niya. Tapos amuyin mo.
In the tapestry of life, you are my thread,
steadfast and true through all that's ahead. Through the highs and lows, you're always near. A friend like you is precious and clear. Through stormy weather and skies so blue, in this journey of life, it's me and you. With laughter and tears, we've grown so strong. In the symphony of friendship we build.
Next, saan tayo mag-swimming? Saan tayo mag-swimming? Doon ulit ito?
Hunter, anong masasabi mo sa ilog dito?
Ayun, masasabi.
Malamig? Malinis? Pwedeng inumin?
Uy, why?
Nagpa-practice na kami ng row camping.
Pag mo may langgam eh.
Dito.
Pagmuka. Shout out sa mga Sino? Na-enjoy nga yung maggala kay Terry. Nakunan na. Muntik nang dumulas.
With you I stand, I cannot fall. You're my savior, my all in all. Through every trial, I will praise. With you I stand, I'm saved by grace. You are my refuge, you are my strength. In your arms, I'll go the length. With you forever, I'll remain. My heart belongs to you, my King.
Sige, lakad.
No matter how dark the night may seem, the sun will rise, it's like a dream.
Competition.
Gising tayo.
Go!
I wanna go home. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch, and it was me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. I once was blind, but now I see. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. I walked in the water, and the water was cold. It chilled my body, but not my soul. If you don't believe my soul's redeemed, follow me down to the Jordan stream. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. I pray for my father, my sister and brother. I pray for my life and my mother. I pray for the world, that's you and me. I pray to the Lord, set us free. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. Ooh, Lord, I wanna go home. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray to the Lord, my soul to keep. If I die before I wake, I pray to the Lord, my soul to take.